In this video, I'll show you how to stake crypto on the Coinbase app and earn rewards. Now, it's important to keep in mind that not all regions support staking, and different coins being staked, different rewards. Alright, so what we want to do is click on the My Assets tab. And if we scroll down, we can choose one of our assets. So for this one, we'll do Ethereum. And then again, if you scroll down, if you are in an eligible area, you'll see Earn on Ethereum and the Stake Ethereum button. So if you click on that, you'll be brought to this screen and you'll be able to see all rewards and how much APY you'll earn, and hit continue. Then you can either click on max or put in the amount of Ethereum that you want to stake and hit preview stake. From there, you'll be able to see the earning rate as well as the unstaking period, and then just hit stake now. And you are officially done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.